Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kiddie Sign In. I hope you all are finding my videos helpful. Vehicles fascinate the child a lot and they love to play with them. So I thought why not make kids playing with vehicles more interesting and enjoyable? So my today's video is regarding activities for kids with vehicle which will help kids to know vehicles and also develop their motor skills. For all these activities, I have used only the stuffs available at home, so zero cost and low efforts. So let's start. First activity is vehicle matching activity. For this, I have used various vehicles usually a child is having and a picture of these vehicles which I pasted on a flat surface. Now the child will pick the vehicle one by one and write the same to the matching picture of vehicle. This will help the child to learn and recognize the vehicles. Just see how my child enjoyed this activity. Say hello. Second activity is riding vehicles on ramp. In this activity, I have prepared a sliding tracks using stuff available at home and the child will drive the vehicles over tracks. For this activity, I will first prepare tracks using paper charts like this. Then I will take a cardboard over which I will paste these tracks like this. Then, using a box, I will incline the cardboard on the surface so as to make it like a ramp. Lastly, I will mark the start and end point on the tracks. Now the child will pick the vehicles one by one and slide the vehicles on the tracks. This is an enjoyment activity which your child will love to play, as you can see now. Pick tractor. Very good. Pick bike. Wow. Next, pick auto. Yes. Next, pick scooter. Where's the scooter? Next, green car. Where's the green car? Wow. Then cement mixture. Very good. Wow. Sports car. Very good. Car. Wow. Clapping. Third activity is riding vehicles on crisscross roads. In this activity, I will draw three crisscross roads on a plain chart, each with a different colors. I will also mark the start and end point on each road. In each road, I will put some road stoppers and speed breakers made from thermocol, like this. After that, the child will pick the vehicles one by one, start from the start point, ride through the similar color road, cross the road stopper and speed breaker, and finally reach the end point. This is road learning and fun based activity. Watch out my child's act.
Say hello. Now we can start. Red car, blue car, green car, clapping.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.